So I had a subscriber, a sweet subscriber. She's always commenting on my video and on Instagram. Reach out to me and ask me if she can, ask me for my address because she wanted to send me something. And I thought that she was going to send me something from her garden. And I'm like, sure. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, she sent me a gift. She ordered from this place called Chopstick and Succulents. I've never heard of it. But I just found their Instagram and really nice. So Eileen, thank you so much. I am so flattered. At the same time, I get a little bit embarrassed because I do. You are so kind to do this, and I feel so fortunate and so honored that you decided to send me something that is so sweet, because you were thinking about me, and I appreciate that. Oh my gosh. And I had to take a quick look, and I was so in shock with the beautiful colors. I did not expect anything like this whatsoever, Eileen. Wow. I love it. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. There are some beauties here. So much beautiful things that I don't have. And if I do have them, I love them. The more, the merrier. Look, Firestorm. Oh my gosh. I love it so much. Thank you. Look at this one. There's so many beauties and so many unique things. I don't know what this one is. It kind of reminds me of the ghost plant. And then this beautiful little aloe here. So pretty. And there's just so many beautiful things. There's this one. Oh my gosh. If you could see me, I am grinning from ear to ear, and I am blushing because I feel so privileged. And that you decided to send me something because you were thinking about me. I really appreciate that. I believe that this is a different corn on the cob, like a green one, and I don't have this, so that's very nice. And look is this a variegated jade? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at these colors. Like, what is this? This is an aeonium. Yes, it is an aeonium. And look at these beautiful chunky little monsters. Look at these chunky beauties. So cute. Oh, there's just a little thing there. Look at how pretty that is. They're so pretty, all of them. This is a really nice collection of cuttings. Eileen, I hope people treat you with such kindness around you and show you lots of love, because I can tell that you are such a sweetheart. I really can. Thank you so much. Look at this. This is a very unique plant. Look at this. This is, I think, like a type of sedum, like similar to the one that I have, but different, because it doesn't grow like this. It grows more spread out. This looks like it grows upward. I'm not sure. But look. I don't know what this one is here. So pretty. I'm just going to keep seeing. Look, a variegated. Oh my goodness. A variegated, what's this called? Is this one called? It's a crassula, but it has, another name. But this is beautiful. That is a beautiful variegated crassula. And then look at this. I think I have a small piece of this. I like that. I don't have this one here. Look at that. This is really nice. Look at this one. Look at that beauty. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I did not expect such kindness. Thank you so much. piece and so healthy. They look so healthy. Look, it's just never ending. Look at this one. I think I'm going to make an arrangement and call it the Eileen arrangement. Oh, look at that. So cute. So nice. Ooh, look at this one. Very pretty. This is a type of Echeveria. Oh, look at this here. Hold on. Look, I got some banana strings. This looks way thicker than mine. Way thicker. Very nice. Look at this. This, I don't have this. So cool. Look at how it's like, how you can just have it up like this. Look at how you could just have it like this and it looks so pretty. That is a pretty plant. Is this one? And look at these jelly beans. My jelly beans do not get like this. So pretty. And then look at this one. Look at this. Wow. Look at another one. It's a string of buttons, maybe string of buttons, but it's a crassula. And then this is cool. Never ever seen this. Super cool. Can't wait to watch this grow and see how it looks. And I really like this too. And I see a variegated, another variegated. This is variegated plant. Mine is struggling, the one that I have of this one. So hopefully this one will do well. So pretty. Look at this. You can't even, I don't think the camera's picking up all the beautiful colors. Eileen, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. This was so kind of you. I am so thankful, and I hope that you are surrounded by kind people all the time. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'm just shocked. I don't know what to say. Thank you again. Bye guys. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.